Ever pondered on the journey of a bill in Pakistan? How it weaves its way from a mere idea into an enforceable law? It's a fascinating process, a process that is deeply entrenched in the country's constitution, involving multiple stages and a multitude of stakeholders. Let's delve into the intricate legislative process in Pakistan. In the beginning, there's the drafting. This is the genesis of the law creation process. Statutes start their journey as draft bills outlining the proposed law. This crucial step can be undertaken by government agencies, members of parliament, or any other interested stakeholders. Once drafted, the bill must be introduced. It's like the debutante ball for the bill. It makes its first appearance in either the National Assembly, if it's a federal law, or the Provincial Assembly, if it's a provincial law. And the introduction is done by none other than a member of parliament. Following its introduction, the bill enters a stage of consideration and debate. This is where the bill is dissected, discussed, and debated. It's a rigorous process involving several readings and stages. Parliamentary committees scrutinize the bill, and members can propose amendments. It's like a thorough refinement process, ensuring the bill is polished to perfection. Next comes the vote. The bill, having been thoroughly considered and debated, is put to a vote. If it secures the support of a majority of the members present and voting in the Assembly, it is passed to the next stage. It's a crucial milestone in the bill's journey to becoming law. The bill then seeks approval. If it's a federal law, it's sent to the president. If it's a provincial law, it finds its way to the governor. If approved, the bill graduates to become an act of parliament. But it's not quite law yet. The president or governor must give formal assent to the bill, signing it into law. This final step completes the legislative process, and the bill officially becomes a statute. Finally, the statute is made public. It's published in the official gazette and may also be published in other forms to ensure public accessibility and awareness. So there you have it. The legislative process in Pakistan, in a nutshell, involves drafting, introduction, consideration and debate, voting, approval, assent, and publication. It's a process that ensures a thorough review and debate of proposed laws, safeguarding the democratic principles of the country. But remember, the process may vary depending on the type of law and the rules of the respective legislative bodies. And of course, all statutes must comply with the provisions of the Constitution of Pakistan and any relevant legal principles.